United Naga Council (UNC) has initiated trade embargo in Naga-dominated areas from today as a form of non-cooperation with Centre to protest against fencing project along India-Myanmar border and scrapping a free movement regime (FMR). The UNC's action follows unsuccessful negotiations with the central government in New Delhi on August 26, 2025 regarding the FMR and the proposed fencing on 1,643-kilometer long Indo-Myanmar border. The council described the embargo as the initial phase of a sustained non-cooperation movement, vowing to escalate actions until their demands are met. As part of the economic blockade, members of Naga CSOs and their supporters checked vehicles and prevented their movement with goods and essential items along National Highway No. 2 at Tafau in Senapati district. In Chandel district, CSOs and District Monitoring Cell under the banner Naga People's Movement Against Border Fencing and Abrogation of FMR enforced trade embargo in Chandel district as well.